Can we do yoga? Oh, I forgot to speak to Isabel. Let's stretch. I saw Manchester. Where is Manchester? Shut the fuck up. Can I actually do it myself? Let's get fucking with it. What are we doing? Wait, I don't have Joy-Cons. Do I have Joy-Cons? I'm nervous. I've not got one. Move my body? Are you fucking joking? Oh my god. Oh my god, okay, wait. Bitch. Fucking hell. Right, we're getting it. Marshall's fucking shit. I can't hear the rhythm. It's not working for me. No, you're so embarrassing. What are you doing? Stop it. Stop embarrassing yourself. Bend forward and push out your chest. What the fuck are you doing? Excuse me? No, girl, listen, bitch. She's not fucking doing it right. She's not doing it right. It's not even like this. You're just swinging it like this. Jump to the river? What the fuck is going on? I can't fucking hear it. Mate, when's this over? I'm fucking working up a sweat over here. I'm finding it really difficult to keep insane. This Animal Crossing has changed a lot from when I was a kid. Right, what's next? I've got it. I fucking finally learned the routine and you want to close it up there, bitch. You're taking the piss. What the fuck just happened? Mate, I've burnt some calories there.